Hey man, how have you been? Oh, haven't seen you in a while. Start this boy. Let this thing rolling. Hello guys. Sorry that I'm in the car. It's raining outside. Today I'm going to try something new. Stay tuned for that.
Young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap it crew. I roll out in the morning light with that Harley bike, all black. I'm the party.
Hello guys, welcome. Today is a bit rainy, that's why I'm in the car, and I will try to find a space and play with this. I'm going to try to install a new light. So recently my fog lights have been having an error. I have placed LED, white LED lights. There's some cheap Chinese ones that I got for $5 or $10, and they've been having an error since this past 2 weeks when it was raining and then it was snowing. So I got a new ones, and I got the brand ones that I assume will be a lot better. We'll see how that goes. And just by the way, all the links will be in the description as always. Now we're gonna get some gas because I'm a little bit low. You don't want to go low on a diesel car. That's where we need to go get gas first. Alright, the lady was standing right in front of me. So this is the error I get. Let's see. Car information, vehicle status. Adaptive front light system is not working, and the fog light, left fog light, is not working. So it only showed me the fog light, so I assume the problem is only with that. And hopefully the new lights will fix this. So before I start everything else, I just wanted to mention that the partner of this channel is Garage Amino, and if you're a car guy, if you like talking about cars, you can go to this app, Garage Amino, and all the people on that website are only talking about cars. You can share your ideas, you can ask questions. It's like Facebook for car people, and you should definitely. There'll be a link in the description for the application for iPhone or Android device. So the light came back as always, but the fog lights is working. That's really interesting. So here's this left fog light that shows that they have a problem. It works. The left, it works. Okay, so we need to change the bulb, I think. But to get to it, there is really interesting idea. So there is a space right there. Here, I'm not sure if you can see it. Over here is the place where we can get to. Oh, it's dirty, damn it! Our fog light. Twist. Counterclockwise. And it out. Now. Take it out, need to squeeze this, and that is it. Oh. I don't know why it did work, but here it is. Okay, now let's open the box with this LED lights. It's 906 LED, plug and play, and they're supposed to be plasma blue. Let's open it. Oh, it's not easy to do by hand. There is some ads. They have free returns within 30 days. Awesome. I hope I will not need it. 10% discount. Okay, so if you need it, let me know. I'll get you this coupon that they gave me for 10% discount. Use this code and you will have 10%. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored. This is all me buying myself this stuff. And the most important is the lights. It's not easy to do with one hand, by the way, but okay, whatever. But it looks clear. It's supposed to be plasma blue. I'm curious, very curious. What? Okay, looks strange. I want to test it. That's blue. Well, let's see, for the fog lights, maybe that will work. Okay, let's go back inside. Yay! And okay, when this is cleaned, we can put it back. The top first, and then the latch on the bottom. Actually, it doesn't matter. Yay. Now let's see in the front how the two will look. Yeah, so every Friday, every weekend, these guys coming here and doing burnouts of the stuff. How on time? Yeah, man, get out of the way. There's this guy doing donuts. And he almost crashed. I should move closer and take a look. But for now, let's finish with the lights. What was interesting in one light, I assume they both were black, but this one turned out to be brown. I have no idea why. On the inside, this one is brown, and this one is also, but it's also on the outside. Strange. I don't remember it being this way when I bought them. Either way, I have a new ones, and let's see how that looks and if the problem continued to appear or not. Let me know what you think. It looks different. Cannot say if I like it or not. Maybe I would need to change back to the white or yellow lights. Those were not that expensive, $24. Yay, then people doing burnouts. I'm going there right now. Okay, so inside when I'm turning, there is no light. That's a good sign. There is cops coming, and it's going to be fun. I can see it, but then there is a lights right there, and then there is guys doing burners right there. Okay, I need to warn those people because, well, there is a cop. I don't want them to get a ticket, but then because they will stop coming here, and there'll be something to film, and that's always fun. Let's go that way. up on the other side of the lot. So, some people were saved today. The guy wanted to ski in Nissan Sentra. Well, it's always fun. Turns out the vlog became more interesting today than I was expecting, and that's always a plus. If you're in Brooklyn, New York area, you know, this is the place. Caesar's Bay is the place for people to hang out, like the car enthusiasts and so on. The guys, by the way, they have their own Instagram channel. I don't know why wouldn't they make a YouTube channel. Maybe, I have no idea. But anyway, that's my boy, and this is it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out. And more importantly, have fun. What's the point then if you don't have fun? Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, put a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think about your ideas and anything else. And don't forget to watch the video. That one. Yes, that's the only one we have there. Right. Have a good day, guys.